on that one. Switch cans. Now I gotta take this John Deere thing. I can remember where it's got the tape. There it is. Now, that's better. Welcome back, everybody. As you can see, yesterday I got the cab primed, the frame, battery box, the fuel tank here. But this morning I'm gonna sand this down and re-prime this, because the primer I used, it had runs in it just terrible. It don't matter how you sprayed it or how light you sprayed it, it got runs in it. So I'll show you right there. That got runs in it, and I barely even sprayed anything on it. So I'm gonna get the Ryobi sander out. I got a battery charging right now, so I'll hook that up and sand it down pretty good. And I got the Van Sickle here. That stuff just works better than anything, so I'll go with the tried and true. I started on the frame with this, and this did real good, the flat red primer. But this stuff, do not use it. It just runs just something terrible. So, which it's 2-year-old primer, but I don't think that ought to make a difference. But anyway, so I'm gonna get the Ryobi out and sand this fuel tank down, reprime it, and take some 600 to all of it, and we'll call it primed. I got it all sanded down here. Got it smoothed out pretty good there. And this side right here, it buffed out a lot better than the front did. I guess I had it a little thick on the front. Thicker than the side at least. But I'm gonna shoot some Van Sickle primer on there, then we'll see what it looks like after that.